So yesterday we cut down a tree that was there, and we cut down a tree that was there to make room for a new carport. Today we're going to cut the stumps as low as possible, fill the holes back in. The first tree is powered up over there. We'll split that and use it in the garage this winter. Down, fill this hole back in and get ready for the carport. Put some metal roof in there, go over the carport and see what got delivered. That's it, a box. Carport in a box. Should be a 28 wide, 24 deep, 9 foot high carport. It should go right but there to give us a little extra winter parking for some of the equipment, keep it out of the weather. The next time we see this area, it'll have some frame in it. Carport right there, be nice. Real nice. Let's see if we can unbox this bad boy.